impression of just the incredible mountain ranges here. Particularly, we're looking looking more or less north now. You can see the Sunshine Coast mountain range. Actually, right up next to that's the coastal mountain range. And now we're looking at Vancouver. And now we're looking in the south. Let's go back one more time. Doing this with the BlackBerry, that's not the best way of doing it, but I think should be able to capture it again. And a little sweep. And now we're looking north, and there's Georgia Strait. And we're the only people out here. So to see, and there's Vancouver Island over there, and that's where we're heading for.